Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we are going to discuss about synthesis of salicylic acid, which is commonly known as 2-Hydroxy Benzoic acid. So let's get started. The starting point for synthesis of salicylic acid is hydroxyl benzene or phenol. In the presence of sodium hydroxide, it will cause removal of one water molecule and ultimately form sodium phenolate. This sodium phenolate undergoes reaction with CCl4, leaving behind one molecule of HCl, and it will subsequently form like this way 3Cl from this carbon atom will attach to this sodium phenolate, and 1Cl replacing hydrogen in the sodium phenolate will remove as HCl. So it ultimately formed trichloromethyl sodium phenolate. This trichloromethyl sodium phenolate, upon subsequent reaction with sodium hydroxide, 3 molecules of sodium hydroxide, will cause the formation of another derivative, leaving behind 3 molecules of sodium chloride, and ultimately it forms trihydroxy methyl sodium phenolate. Okay, so in the next reaction, that is the removal of the hydrogen molecule, how this water molecule will remove, I will show you here. This forming COOH group, and two hydrogen and one oxygen will remove as H2 molecule. So this will ultimately form as carboxy sodium phenolate. I hope it makes sense. Then this carboxy sodium phenolate undergoes reaction with HCl, leaving behind NaCl molecule, or removal of NaCl molecule. It will consequently form our desired product, that is salicylic acid or 2-hydroxy benzoic acid, leaving behind one molecule of sodium chloride. So this is all about the synthesis of salicylic acid. I hope you people learned it. If you didn't subscribe my channel Medicinal Chemistry, so kindly subscribe it, share it and like it. And if you need some synthesis or SCRs of any drug, please drop your comment. Thank you.